Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. So, talking about the markets are on a euphoric mood. In fact, the markets have rallied all the way from its all-time high of close to 20,250 to 20,850, and we are just shying away from about 1.50 points from 21,000. Who expected this in just a week? Things have totally turned around. Of course, the positivity from election did come. The five state election results. But of course, apart from that, the one big thing that we have been discussing about is nothing but the FII turning buyers, and they have bought for more than 18,000 crores in just this 1 week. 18,000 crores. Yesterday they bought for just one single day about 5,000 crores. What do you say? So that's the kind of impact that has come. And like I've told you earlier also, when FIAs buy, they buy from Nifty 50 stocks. And that's exactly why we've been seeing a big surge in the Nifty 50 stocks. And not only that, in that the majorly, if you see the investment is coming into HDFC Bank, which has been underperforming for a really long time. And if you talk about yesterday we had the Adani stocks moving up. Adani Port was up, and Adani Enterprises was up. Adani Enterprises was up more than 17% in a day after US, themselves are giving them order of place building a port in Sri Lanka, and that funding is coming from the US. And with all that, the confidence on Adani Group is again back in place. And I am sure Mr. Adani would be really happy. His net worth, which had come down, has actually shot up back in just 1 month. Last 1 month is a huge, of course, rally that he has seen in the Adani Group stocks. Well, does that mean I'm going to invest there? Of course not. So my share of profit booking in that stock is over, so I'm not even going to follow it for now. So let's see in future if we see something good. I am more of a fundamental investor than just a technical one. So that's my take on it. So apart from that, if you look at the markets, yesterday we could see the IT sector was slightly weak. That's majorly because many brokerages and companies have research companies have come out saying that the IT sector may not be performing great in the next 1 year. So that is something which has been kind of taking negative, but that's completely okay because they've had quite a good rally for some time. It is a time for them to take a break, but I would say this is a more of an accumulation zone. So IT sector accumulation zone is what I feel, and that's exactly why I have invested well in the IT sector, and I'm really happy with the way the investment has actually done. So the big wigs in the IT sector are the ones who have not grown really well, but the mid caps like Persistent Systems, Zensa Tech has all given us amazing returns. So we're really not even bothered about what's happening. The slight negative in IT at this point of time. So talking about stock market, after Indian stock markets closed, U.S. markets opened. In spite of US markets being negative day before yesterday, Indian markets rallied up to a new high yesterday. And yesterday evening, again, US markets have fallen down. And what can happen to Indian market today? We will discuss that in a while. So, talking about some stock specific news, very important news from Bharat Electronics, BEL. So, they are targeting a turnover of 19,500 to 20,000 crore this year, this financial year. That is something the chairman and managing director of the company said yesterday. But then they say the revenues may not be as much as 15 to 17% as they had expected earlier. So that's not a great news. So that's something that we can watch out for today. Apart from that, Aisha Motors would be in focus because they have got into pre-owned bikes sales. That's a good thing, in fact. So that can actually add up to their revenues, and they call this system called as re-own by Royal Enfield. So that's something good to the company. So do watch out that stock on the positive side. Apart from that, Bajaj Group is in news because this is the next company which has actually hit the 10 lakh crore market cap yesterday. Of course, the major contribution comes from Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finserv, and Bajaj Finance. So these companies, in fact, Bajaj Auto has shot up by almost 70% in the last 1 year. So overall, Bajaj Group is euphoric mode again. So that's something good. So apart from that, if you look at the Asian markets today morning, in fact, something interesting. There were some research companies which came out and degraded China's credit growth, but then Chinese markets are still trading in the positive this morning. Japanese market has again rebounds and is up by more than 1.6%. So overall, the Asian markets are trading in the positive. But if you look at Indian market, what could happen? Now, the personal expectation is in market has actually rallied up so much. There should be time that should be taking a break soon. So will it reach 21,000 and then take a break, or now is the big question. But however, one important thing I can tell you all is this is the best time to book some partial profits if you have amazing profit in a portfolio, and those who are using margin trading, so this is time to clear up all your margins and loans at this point of time, because this is not a time to invest into the market but start booking some profit in the market. So I would be looking at investing in a stage by manner at this point of time. So let's see how the market goes. I'm not predicting the market, but then yes, this is what I anticipate at this point of time. So unless we have a view on the market, and if you're not right, at least for more than 80, 70 to 80% of times, we don't make money in the market. So we need to have a view, but of course, not to predict the market. We change our view based on the market conditions. And so at this point of time, I feel the market has run in enough. So the major resistance will be coming at this point from 2,800 to 21,000. So this level could be seen as a major resistance, and not expecting a major rally from here at this point of time, unless of course FIs decide to buy more. But I feel FIs have also invested much enough, so probably they should be kind of taking a break by around 21,000 range. So this is where probably the end of the rise is probably somewhere close at this point of time, is what I feel for. And this is temporary. I'm talking long term. I'm completely bullish again, but I'm talking temporarily. It might take a break. Nothing wrong in it, so it should be taking a break. But if it doesn't take a break, it could be unhealthy, because then the fall could be really severe. So that's something I expect the markets to kind of consolidate soon, some point of time, and that is what we could look forward to. So apart from that, if you look at the market, like I'm as a trader, this week has not been great for me because I'm a non-directional trader, and whenever there's a huge movement in one direction, that week is not a great week for me. So we had hit two stop losses, but then I have other positions which could kind of take care of the losses, and probably this week will close with flat, week. So that's something that's expected at this point of time. Let's see how it goes. So today is the Bank Nifty expiry, and Bank Nifty has shot up already. In fact, we had discussed on Monday that the Indian stock market had Nifty had hit an all-time high. So it is also time the Bank Nifty hits, and that's exactly what happened on Monday. And yesterday also, market banks have actually rallied up so much. So being the Bank Nifty expiry today, what can happen is something that we could watch out. So there could be absolute volatility, but will profit booking kick in Bank Nifty, or will it break out further, is something that we need to watch out today. So there are high chances the markets or Bank Nifty may not see a big surge at this point of time, but however, let's see how it goes. So that's it for now. Wishing you all a great day ahead. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off, and do comment below if you like this new timing, and we are starting at 7:45 in the morning. So I hope this works well with all of you. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye. Hey, I keep forgetting. Yes, do press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Until we catch up tomorrow.